prima facie essential to understand the case from the record maintained by the police up till 1st September 1975, when reportedly it was consigned to record as untraced. But subsequent thereto, on the basis of some inquiry, which was entrusted to P.W. Abdul Ahad in respect of conduct of FSF personnel, investigation was started, during the course whereof investigation of FIR number 402 of 1974 was revived. And in the meanwhile, Masood Mahmood and others started making incriminating statements, etc. in the case. He has explained that in spite of best efforts, record has not so far been made available. However, on being asked, he read out the contents of paragraph 8 of the judgment of the Lahore High Court, reported as PLD 1978, Lahore 523, as well as the relevant...
So the record was found or not found?
My lord, this original...
Rather than reading all these orders, just tell us in a nutshell, was it ever found or it's still untraced?
So this is, my lord, the original record from the police could not be found.
Untraced?
Ji.
Okay, so why read the rest of the order? Anything significant?
इसमें ये हुआ कि इसमें जो उसकी जो कॉपीज थी
जी सर मैं बताइए अच्छा का रिकॉर्ड आ गया हुआ है
नहीं वो जो आया है वो एफआईए की जो केस डायरीज थी वहां से आ गया वहां से आ गया
तो 3 बंडल्स हैं उसके 3 बंडल जो पुलिस के 3 बंडल
ओके ओके
जी जी इज रिकॉर्ड फाइल नंबर 6 7 and 21
पुलिस की 3 फाइल आई हुई हैं चलिए ठीक है so why you telling us all this then
but we need not need
no, tell us some relevant stuff.
If your lordship would allow me,
I think we can take judicial notice of the fact
yes. The country was under martial law up
but I just want the dates and
but be precise. So my brother is saying 12th May you wanted to read.
Order dated 12th May 2011. May I read, my lords?
12th May
49.
12th May. From the perusal of record, it has transpired that after imposition of martial law on 5th July 1977, the criminal case against late Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, which stood consigned, was revived. It appears that in the meanwhile, a private complaint was also filed on behalf of the family members of late Nawab Muhammad Ahmad Khan Kasuri, which initially remained pending on the file of an additional session judge at Lahore. And perhaps in the month of August 1977, the same was transferred to the file of the Lahore High Court. The record so far received from the Lahore High Court through its registrar does not indicate that the record of this complaint has been transmitted. Therefore, the office is directed to requisition the same by sending a letter to the registrar, Lahore High Court, with direction to procure it and forward the same to this court. 2.
Why you read this?
Because this complaint has not come.
Which complaint?
Which has been mentioned.
The record of complaint has
record
not
of the complaint has not come. Now I'll read para 2 also.
The complaint regarding what?
See, complaint was
private complaint.
Private complaint.
There was a private complaint also, which was
the significance.
Because that would show it was an afterthought what was going on. Because
paragraph 2, private complaint.
Paragraph 2 अगर इजाजत हो पढ़ें clear हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Additionally, 5 different cases, probably under various provisions of the martial law regulations, were also registered against late Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. During the hearing of the criminal case before the 5-member bench of the Lahore High Court, and their hearing commenced at Court Lakpat Jail from 2nd Feb 1978 by the tribunal headed by Mr. Justice Shafiur Rahman. The Registrar Lahore High Court is directed to procure the complete record of the said cases as well as transmit the same to the court. Sir, this is very important. It was a classified document, but it was declassified by the previous government. And this...
What is this tribunal headed by Justice Shafiur Rahman?
See, a tribunal was formed to look into the veracity of the FIRs, which were registered against late Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. And the tribunal came to the...
Sorry, I'm pursuant to an order. What was it? How did it happen?
See, an order was passed by the government. A tribunal was formed. And as a consequence whereof, the tribunal formed the opinion and given the verdict that all cases were fake and exonerated.
Where is that way?
That tribunal, that it is still not here. We have got...
No. Thank you, Mr. Please. Here is the record of the tribunal.
This is it was ordered by this honorable
Mr.
court.
Farooq Naik.
Ji, sir.
Please hear me carefully. If you never want this case heard, you can raise these objections. We will go by what is available before us. If something is not before us and you just make a statement, this happened or that happened, if there is some document before us, if you want some document sent for, then you have to be very specific. We will not accept a statement unless that happens. Otherwise, this will just delay the matter. I mean, it's been fixed after a very long time. And if it's not there, it's not there. So if you know how to access it, please tell us. We'll pass the requisite directions to order the production of it. So we don't say this is not here, this is not there.
No, my lord. If your lordship allow me, it is written in the order. The Registrar Lahore High Court is directed. He is directed to procure the complete record.
What happened that I'm asking?
Nothing was written to them. I think so. This is what I've not seen any document.
We'll find out.
See, the registrar has to be written to bring the document on the record.
Many years have passed.
Yes.
Now, please, anything else you want to refer to?
And para 3 also, my lord.
Yes, read it.
It is important to note that 3 cases were registered.
These cases
were registered during the pendency of the trial of the murder case by the 5-member bench of the Lahore High Court. Therefore, we consider it appropriate to look into this record as well, because it is also likely to throw light on the facts and circumstances of the reference. 4. The Secretary Ministry of Interior, Government of Pakistan, and the Home Secretary, Government of Punjab, are directed to procure copy of the order passed by the martial authorities under MLR 12 of 1977, along with copies of...
I must stop you now. If you want something specific sent for, please submit an application or give us particulars, this, and who can we direct to send it for? We'll pass such an order.
I'll do it, my lord.
If it is not available, we can't do anything about it.
Your lordship is right. I'll move a proper CM listing the documents which I want to be...
हो गई ना बात. Not only that, just don't say I want this document. You have to say where
they're lying.
Would it be?
Definitely, I've got to show where they're lying.
One second. Now, anything else in the order that you want to read out?
बाखबर रहिए हर जगह हर वक्त बर वक्त अभी सुनो न्यूज का यूट्यूब चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें और जानिए मुल्की और गैर मुल्की हालात व वाक़यात यकीन के साथ।